Do you have a platform that you like to use for investing? Or do you like to use the app, the desktop? We'll talk about my simple way that I plan to use to invest. And I'm going to start using Fidelity just to help me leave my 9 to 5 in 5 years. So let's get started. So this is how the structure will work. I want to use compounding interest to build my buy and hold account to leave my job. Now, I know compounding interest works because I bought a car from the $5,000 I saved in my Roth IRA and probably 30 years ago. And when I did the math in one of those calculators, it said my $5,000 would have been over $19,000 if I just left it alone and didn't add extra money to it. And who wouldn't want to be handed $19,000 right now? So I know compounding interest works. So with reoccurring payments, reoccurring transfers into my Roth IRA, I know it will build over time as the market grows. This is the strategy. This is the structure that I'm going to set up. So let's take a look at just the starting point. This is my Roth IRA, and I had it more than 5 years, and I was not targeted in the way that I want to be because I definitely want to leave my job in 5 years. So I need this account to grow. Right now, it has $1,600 in it. And I'm looking this way because my computer is over here. The screen is over here. But it has $1,600 in it. The limit to put into my Roth this year is $8,000. So I'm nowhere near the $8,000 that I needed for this year. Now, this it's lets me know what my asset allocation or my strategy is: aggressive growth, which I guess that's okay. But so that's for this page. Now I am going to show you what I have in my portfolio. So on my portfolio page, where you can see what I have in my portfolio, I have some random stocks that I put in this year, or random ETFs. But I want to draw your attention to the FDIS, the FTech, and the VTI, which is the Vanguard Total Market, the Total Market Fund. Now, all of these are relatively small. The VTI, I started with fractional shares. That's why it's over 9 shares. And the FTech, that's 3 shares. Now, if you look at the total gains for FTech, I gained $425. For FTech, VTI, I gained $976, and the total value is $3,000, over $3,000. That's with 9 shares. So that's over time of compounding interest, the market going up. Let's look at FDIS, and that's consumer discretionary. So I'll show you. I'm going to go over to the site that I use, and we'll see more about what's in these funds. But FDIS, it's actually, the current value is 800. That's with 8 shares. So just starting out, you could have a gain. And I've had these funds for a while. And that's why the goal is to strategically, constantly put money in so that I can have more shares because I need to build this account. Okay, so I am going to come back. And when I come back, I'm going to do in another video, I'm going to go more in depth on what I have in my account and what I want to add going forward. I'll also show you which site that I like to look up the ETFs. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you back for more videos. Have a good day.